हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये हमारा पार्ट फिफ्थ है जीके करंट अफेयर्स का, जो कि 2024-25 में रेलवे में पूछे गए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है। आने वाले एनटीपीसी एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रहेंगे। देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील विद द एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ द यूनियन? आर्टिकल 53, करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पीरियड्स was considered as the second phase of the green revolution in India? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा मिड 1970 टू मिड 1980। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी रिजोल्यूशन 1956 was adopted in which of the following 5-year plans? करेक्ट आंसर सेकेंड 5-year प्लान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट बैंक्स इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ इंडियाज इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ? Correct answer. Development banks provide long-term financing and support for industrial projects and infrastructure development. Next question. Who taught medicine in Takshila around 6th century BC? Correct answer. Punarvasu Atriya. Next question. Who assumed charge as Minister of Earth Sciences in June 2024 in the newly formed Union Cabinet? करेक्ट आंसर जितेंद्र सिंह। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर्स बाय राजीव लोंगोवाल पीस एकॉर्ड साइंड बाय इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर राजीव गांधी एंड अकाली लीडर हरचंद सिंह लोंगोवाल? करेक्ट आंसर 1985। If the court finds that the person is holding office but not entitled to hold that office, it issues the writ of fill in the blanks and restricts that person from acting as an officer holder. Correct answer quo warranto. Next question. Which of the following is also known as congenital ovarian hypoplasia syndrome, which is found only in females? Correct answer Turner syndrome. Next question. In reference to Air Transport of India, what is the full form of AERA? फुल फॉर्म हमारा होगा एयरपोर्ट्स इकोनॉमिक रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। मूव्ड बाय द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स पेंटेड हिज फेमस इमेज ऑफ भारत माता इन 1905? करेक्ट आंसर अवनींद्रनाथ टैगोर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for an independent election commission for the superintendence, directions and control of the electoral roll and the conduct of the elections of India? Correct answer Article 324. Next question. In which language is the book Amar Jivan written? Correct answer Bengali. Next question. The Ganga Brahmaputra Meghna system is composed of which of the following main sub basin? Correct answer Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. Next question. Who among the following was the architect of the building St. Francis Church in Kochi? Correct answer Pedro Alvarez de Cabral. Next question. Who was serving as the managing director of the International Monetary Fund since 1 October 2019 and has been selected by the IMF Executive Board to serve for second 5-year term starting 1 October 2024? Correct answer Kristalina Georgieva. Next question. Who among the following established the Atmiya Sabha in 1814? Correct answer Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next question. When several factors affect any biochemical process, law of limiting factors comes into effect. This law is given by Blackman. Correct answer. Next question. In 1309, who invaded the Kakatiya kingdom? Correct answer Malik Kafur. Next question. Which of the following schemes was launched by Rajnath Singh to promote innovations in critical and strategic defense technology during डीप कनेक्ट 2024 इन न्यू दिल्ली इन 4 मार्च 2024? करेक्ट आंसर अदिति। हाउ डज द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस इट्स फिस्कल डेफिसिट? करेक्ट आंसर बाय बोरोइंग फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक एंड इंटरनेशनल सोर्सेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ड्यूरिंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सीजन्स डू द साउथ वेस्ट मानसून विंड्स इंटर द इंडियन पेनिनसुला? करेक्ट आंसर रेनी सीजन। Next question. Which initiative was launched by the Union Education Minister to promote digital skill development among rural youth, particularly women in 2023? Correct answer, skills on wheels. Next question. Which sensitive dye turns yellow in the presence of acid with pH between 6.0 to 7.6? Correct answer, bromothymol blue. Next question. Who among the following is the chairman of the Defense Research and Development Organization यानी DRDO एज ऑन दिसंबर 2023? समीर भी कामत. करेक्ट आंसर, 2023 के अनुसार समीर भी कामत थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स हैज बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम द सरहिंद कैनाल? करेक्ट आंसर, पंजाब. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टाइल्स ऑफ थुमरी सिंगिंग इज मीन टू बी फेयरली स्लो एंड स्टेड? करेक्ट आंसर, बनारस. Which of the following is the coverage provided by the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana in case of partial disability? Correct answer, 1 lakh. The Indian men's hockey team beat the team of which country to win the bronze medal at the Paris 2024 Olympics? Correct answer, Spain. In November 2023, generic drugs for 4 rare diseases were made available in India, out of which nitisinone is used for the treatment of? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा टायरोसिनेमिया टाइप 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द ब्रॉड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ नीति आयोग? करेक्ट आंसर, ऑप्शंस के अनुसार हमारा करेक्ट आंसर होगा टू प्रोमोट इनिशिएटिव्स लाइक मेक इन इंडिया, स्किल इंडिया, स्टार्टअप इंडिया, स्टैंड अप इंडिया, etc. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. भारत जेन इज की इनिशिएटिव ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लॉन्च्ड इन अक्टूबर 2024. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज ट्रू अबाउट दिस इनिशिएटिव? करेक्ट आंसर, इट फोकसेज ऑन डेवलपिंग ए सूट ऑफ फाउंडेशनल मॉडल्स इन लैंग्वेज, स्पीच एंड कंप्यूटर विजन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ आर environmental defensive expenditures classified at the aggregate level in national accounting? Correct answer, intermediate consumption. Next question. The type of estate that acts co-planar along a given cross sections of material is defined as shear stress. Correct answer. Next question. Nada is a musical sound in Carnatic music which is of 2 counts, ahat and anahata. Correct answer. Next question. Which of the following winds govern the climate of India during winter? Correct answer, northeast trade winds. Next question. Qutbuddin Aibak was fond of which of the following outdoor sports? Correct answer, polo. Which part of the Indian constitution is related to citizenship? Correct answer, part 2nd. Next question. As a reaction to the Muslim fundamentalism, the Hindu Mahasabha was founded in which of the following years? Correct answer, 1915. हिंदू महासभा 1915 में स्थापना हुआ. Which of the following international sports event was not held in the year 2023? Correct answer, Commonwealth Games. Quwat al-Islam Mosque is nearest to which of the following historical monuments? Correct answer, Qutub Minar. Which adulterant is added to increase the solids not fat content in milk and yield dairy product? Correct answer, maltodextrin. Which of the following is the primary reason for the high literacy rate in Kerala? Because of effective literacy programs and emphasis on education. Next question. Which of the following is not function of the governor of a state? Correct answer, appointing the district collectors. Next question. Which of the following games made its maiden participated at National Games 2023? Correct answer, beach handball. Next question. The Central Goods and Service Tax यानी GST Second Amendment 2023 increased the age limit for the President of the Tribunal from 67 to 70 वर्ष. Next question. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution deals with the administration of Union Territory? Correct answer, 239. Article 239. Next question. At which of the following Air Force bases did the Indian Air Force Containment participate in the exercise Red Flag 2024? Correct answer, Elson Air Force Base, Alaska. Next question. A method for measuring atmospheric pressure was first devised by Torricelli. Next question. Which of the following does term household mean according to the census? Correct answer, a group of person who shares common kitchen and make meals together. फ्रेंड्स ये हमारा थर्ड शिफ्ट का क्वेश्चन है. हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द चेयरमैन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर, राजेंद्र प्रसाद. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑन विच रिवर सिस्टम द नेशनल वाटरवे वन डेवलप्ड बाय द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट बिल्ट? करेक्ट आंसर, गंगेज, भागीरथी, हुगली रिवर सिस्टम फ्रॉम हल्दिया टू इलाहाबाद. नेशनल वाटरवे हमारा हल्दिया टू इलाहाबाद वन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेचर of the PM फसल बीमा योजना for the participating states? Correct answer, mandatory for states and voluntary for farmers. Next question, Poisson's equation which is often used to describe the elastic properties of material is represented by which Greek letter? Correct answer, Nu. Next question, मत्स्य 6000 a part of India's समुद्रयान project is what kind of ऑब्जेक्ट या इंस्ट्रूमेंट? करेक्ट आंसर, मैंड सबमर्सिबल. इन मार्च 2024 हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग एज्यूम द चार्ज ऑफ चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट? NSSC. करेक्ट आंसर, किशोर मकबरा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज सेकेंडरी फंक्शन ऑफ द कमर्शियल बैंक्स? करेक्ट आंसर, परफॉर्मिंग एजेंसी फंक्शंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द 7th एंटी सबमरीन वारफेयर सैलो वाटर क्राफ्ट लॉन्च्ड बाय द इंडियन नेवी इन अक्टूबर 2024? करेक्ट आंसर, अभय. हु एमंग द फॉलोइंग इज रिलेटेड टू ख्याल इन क्लासिकल हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक? करेक्ट आंसर, अमीर खुसरो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस विच इंडियन स्टेट हैज द हायर लिटरेसी रेट देन अदर 3 स्टेट्स एज पर द सेंसस ऑफ 2011? करेक्ट आंसर, केरला. Which of one of the following country is not included in the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019? Correct answer, Bhutan. Which of the following battles was fought in the year 1191 AD? Correct answer, First Battle of Tarain. Next question, what is the main objective of financial inclusion? Correct answer, to extend financial services to reasonable cost to the large hitherto unserved population of the country. Correct answer. Next question, on which date did the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi visit Ukraine, which was the first ever visit by the Indian Prime Minister to Ukraine since 1992? Correct answer, 23 अगस्त 2024. Next question, which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to the India Tax Reforms Committee? Correct answer, the committee suggested a phased reduction of the corporate tax to 10% and continuation of surcharge on corporate tax. Next question, according to census 2011 which north eastern state has the highest literacy rate? Correct answer, Mizoram. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the composition of the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer, Article 80. The cytoplasmic strands that connect one cell of the other are known as plasmodesmata. When was St. Francis Church building constructed in Kochi? Correct answer, 1503. Who among the following was the last Pallav ruler? Correct answer, Aparajit Varman. Indian political activist and advocate for women's rights fill in the blanks had unfurled the first version of Indian national flag at the International Socialist Congress held at Stuttgart, Germany? Correct answer, Bhikhaji Kama. Next question, which of the following is in direct impact of rural infrastructure development on the agricultural sector? Correct answer, enhanced agricultural productivity through better irrigation, storage and transport facilities. Next question, who among the following historical musicians is credited with formulating the Sarli, Varisa and Saptatal Alankars in Carnatic music? Correct answer, Purandar Das. Next question, the Wildlife Protection Act, which provides the main legal framework for conservation and protection of wildlife in India, was enacted in the year 1972. In which of the following years were Union Territory introduced in India? Correct answer, 1956. Director General Rakesh Pal, AVSM, PTM, TM is the fill in the blanks Director General of Indian Coast Guard, यानी 25th Director General है. Next question, chromosome number 2n of maize is 20. Correct answer. Next question, in which of the following years did Kansi Ram found Bahujan Samaj Party? Correct answer, 1984. द जनरल डिबेट of the 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly started in which date? Correct answer 24 सितंबर 2024. Next question. Who among the following returned the honorary knighthood title to mark the protest against Jallianwala Bagh incident? Correct answer Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. The provision of prohibition of employment of children in hazardous jobs is reflected in which of the following fundamental rights of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer right against exploitation. Who among the following emphasized the propagated that the Vedanta was the religion of all and not of the Hindus alone? Correct answer Swami Vivekanand. Next question. Which of the following is not a tributary of Godavari river? Correct answer Kabini. How many sports persons received the Arjun Awards for outstanding performance in sports and games 2023? Correct answer 26. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the appointment of Attorney General of India? Correct answer Article 76. Next question. In which of the following types of vegetation would we find species like ebony, mahogany and rosewood? Correct answer tropical evergreen forest. Next question. Which of the following is commonly known as the 4D disease caused by severe deficiency of vitamin B3? Correct answer pellagra. Next question. Which state government launched the Yuva Nidhi scheme for providing financial aid to unemployed youth? Correct answer Karnataka. Next question. Who was considered as the viceroy of Muhammad Ghori and overall commander of the army in India? Correct answer Qutbuddin Aibak. Which Indian cricket player became the player of the series in the 2 test matches cricket series against Bangladesh played in September-October 2024? Correct answer Ravichandran Ashwin. In October 2023, India began producing reference fuel, joining a select league of nations. What is the octane number of reference fuel? Correct answer 97. Next question. The portion of agricultural produce which is sold in the market by farmers is called marketed surplus. Next question. Which of the following pairs is incorrect with reference to dams and their related estates? Correct answer Indira Sagar, Rajasthan. Which law states that if a body is at rest or moving at constant speed in a straight line, it will remain at rest or keep moving in a straight line at constant speed unless it is acted upon by a force? Correct answer Newton's first law. Which of the following is the formula for the consumption function? C बराबर C plus CYD. Next question. Select the correct sequence of color observed when white light gets dispersed through a prism. Correct answer blue, green, yellow, orange. Next question. Which of the following statements is not true about the high altitude pseudo satellite that has successfully tested in India in February 2024? Correct answer. The flights are carried on in the troposphere. Next question. In which of the following years was A Brush with Life and autobiography written? Next question 1997. Correct answer 1997. Next question. In March 2024, Nayab Singh Saini was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of which of the following states of India? Correct answer Haryana. Next question. Which of the following period succeeds the Paleolithic period? करेक्ट आंसर मेजोलिथिक। फ्रेंड्स ये हमारा सेकंड शिफ्ट का भी क्वेश्चन ख़त्म हो गया। हमने 100 क्वेश्चन किया और हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में भी 100 क्वेश्चन करके अभी ये आरपीएफ की जो प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर में जो जीके पूछे गई थी वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी अगली क्लास में हमारे। फिर हम कोई साइंस के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे अगले क्लास से। तब तक के लिए थैंक्स।